Welcome to an introduction to wild garlic. You can find wild garlic in woodland areas from springtime, usually for around 8 weeks or so. It has a distinctive smell and has green flat leaves with white flowers as shown here. Pesto can be made with wild garlic using 2 handfuls of leaves, 1 cup cashews, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste. Use raw in salads. Flowers can be eaten, but be sure to leave enough out there for crop to continue. Add to curries, stews or dips. You could also blend into a paste and freeze for future use. Health benefits. Excellent for heart circulation. Studies have shown it can reduce blood pressure. Full of vitamins A, C, calcium, iron, phosphorus, sodium and copper. Known for its antibacterial, antibiotic properties. Get foraging and enjoy this fantastic wild plant. Thank you for watching.